Okay, number 76, just slightly harder because you got a 2x in here. So same thing, you need to do some, my recommendation is long division. And basically let's set it up. So we're saying 6x minus 2 divide by 2x minus 1. So we number up here, we say what number times 2x gives you 6x? So it's going to be 3. 3 times 2x is 6x, and 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Put brackets, and then subtract. And the whole objective of doing this is to get a 0 in there. So 6x minus 6x is gone. Minus 2 minus negative 3. So that's going to be negative 2 plus 3 is going to be plus 1. So there we have it. So this expression here can be rewritten as 3 plus, and the remainder is 1 over 2x minus 3. That is now not differentiable, integratable. So that becomes 3x. This thing here becomes natural log 1 over 2x minus 1. And don't forget the 2 in there, we've divided by 2 plus c. And that is the answer. Okay, let's just jump down to 80. 80 looks complicated. Okay, just to make it user-friendly, I'm going to put in here a plus 0, and I'm just going to make the structure the same. See how the x's over here, beg your pardon, are the same, and the constants are next to each other? So let's do the same thing here. So this is just a bit of fiddling, and we're going to say 6x plus 0, negative x plus 1. So into the format we go. So 6x plus 0. Now minus 6 times negative x is got to give us positive 6. So that's why I've got minus 6 there. Okay, now minus 6 times 1 is negative 6. Now these two, put brackets around it, underline it, put brackets around it, subtract it, gives you 0. 0 minus minus 6 is positive 6. So this thing here can be rewritten as negative 6 plus 6 over negative x plus 1. Okay, integrate this. Negative 6 becomes negative 6x. This becomes 6 times the natural log of brackets negative x plus 1, and the divided by the derivative of that expression is negative 1, and that gives negative 6 minus 6 natural log. Now let's just make it look prettier. That looks nicer than that. Either way, it's fine. And yep, there is your answer. Let's just, by the way, check it here because I've got it written out. So does that equal that? So, and notice I've just put it back into 1 minus x as opposed to negative x plus 1. So what we do, let's just start this again, shall we? So in fact, let's do it that way. Negative 6 plus 6 negative x plus 1. So I'm going to turn this into a fraction. Two fractions, different denominator. What do? We multiply the denominators. 1 times that is going to be negative x plus 1. And then we cross multiply. So that's a plus. This thing is going to be multiplied by this. And that goes that way, plus 6. Now that top line, if we look at it, negative 6 times 1 is going to give negative 6. And the plus 6 is going to cancel out. And the negative 6 times the negative x is going to give you positive 6x. And the bottom line, as you'd agree, is the same thing. So that's the same structure. So we're just proving to you that that long division was actually correct. But why do we do that? Why do we do the long division? So we can get into a format which is easier to integrate.